Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are dropping a massive, highly requested video in our ongoing Ultimate Trading series for beginners. If you are completely new to this channel, welcome aboard. This series is designed from scratch to take you from a complete beginner to a confident trader who understands how the global markets actually work. Now, when people think about trading, they often get scared. They see flashing numbers, complicated graphs, and they think it's impossible to understand. But today, we are going to break that wall down. We are going to look at the biggest financial playground in the world, the United States stock market. Before we look at our first market chart, I want you to remember a famous quote by legendary investor Warren Buffett. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Write this down in your notebook, guys. In this trading journey, your patience is going to be your biggest weapon, not your money. In this video, we are not looking at high-risk penny stocks or random assets. We are going to observe the top 3 absolute monsters of the US market: Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. We are going to talk about why watching these charts is the best training for a beginner's eyes. Make sure you sit back, grab a coffee, and watch this video until the very last second, because every part of this series builds the foundation for your financial freedom. Let's start. Part 1 of our breakdown with the undisputed king of technology, Apple Incorporated. Ticker symbol Apple. Just look at this beautiful chart moving on your screen right now. When you see this chart, what do you see? As a beginner, you might just see red and green bars moving up and down. But this chart represents human emotion, supply, and demand. On a massive global scale, why is Apple the perfect chart for a beginner trader to watch? It's because of something called volume and stability. Apple is a multi-trillion-dollar company. Every single second, millions of people around the world are buying and selling this stock. This means the chart moves in a very smooth, predictable manner compared to risky cryptocurrencies. When you track a chart like Apple, you are learning how a healthy market breathes. It goes up, it takes a rest, and it moves again. As a beginner trader in this series, your first job is not to put your hard-earned money into the market. Your first job is to simply open this chart every single day and observe how it behaves during US market hours. Apple is the cleanest textbook you will ever read on Wall Street. Now, let's move into part 2 of our video and look at another tech giant, Microsoft Corporation. Ticker symbol Microsoft. While Apple rules the consumer hardware market, Microsoft is the silent backbone of the entire corporate world. From cloud software to global enterprises, when you look at this Microsoft chart currently running on the screen, you will notice a slightly different rhythm compared to Apple. Every company has its own personality, and its chart reflects that personality. There is a brilliant quote by billionaire trader Paul Tudor Jones that perfectly fits here. Intellectual capital will always trump financial capital. This means your knowledge, your observation, and your understanding of the market, personality are worth way more than the balance in your trading account. Notice how steady the Microsoft chart is. For a beginner trader, watching this chart teaches you how a stock consolidates, meaning how it stays in a straight line before making a massive move up or down. If you want to train your brain to stay calm while looking at price movements, Microsoft is the best asset to put on your daily watch list. It teaches you that trading is not about gambling. It is about waiting for the right moment to observe a trend. Let's dive into part 3 of today's deep dive. And this one is a crowd favorite, Amazon.com Inc., ticker symbol Amazon. Now, Amazon is a completely different beast compared to Apple and Microsoft. Amazon represents consumer behavior, e-commerce, shopping trends, and massive retail power. Look at the chart moving on your screen right now. If you compare this with the Microsoft chart we just saw, you can instantly feel that Amazon has a bit more speed. It moves faster, and the price jumps can be a bit larger. For a beginner, once your eyes get used to the smooth movements of Apple and the steady rhythm of Microsoft, Amazon is where you step up your game. Watching this chart teaches you how market news, shopping seasons, and global economic updates directly impact a stock's daily movement. It is fast, It is exciting, and it gives you a clear picture of how high momentum trading works. By just spending 10 minutes a day looking at this chart, you will learn more about market dynamics than any expensive paid course could ever teach you. If this detailed breakdown and our ongoing series are helping you understand the trading world clearly, please show your support. Smash that like button right now. It really helps the YouTube algorithm find more beginner traders like you. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next critical part of this series. Drop a comment below. Which of these 3 charts did you find most interesting to watch tonight? Thank you so much for watching. Stay disciplined, keep observing, and I will see you in the very next video. Happy learning, everyone.